Hi friends, welcome to our next video on train. Let us discuss another question on train. A train of length L meter crosses the platform of length L1 in 3 seconds. Then, what will be the time taken by the train to cross another platform of length L2? Let us first understand the question properly. A train of length L meter crosses a platform of length L1 meter in t seconds. Then what will be the speed? Speed equal to distance by time. Distance means total length. That means sum of the length of train plus the length of platform divided by time. Okay, this is the speed of train. Now, if it crosses another platform of length L2, then what will be the time? Time equal to distance by speed. The total distance equal to L plus L2 divided by speed. Speed equal to L plus L1 by T. L plus L1 by T. So it will be equal to L plus L2 divided by L plus L1, and T will come over here. So this is the formula of finding out the required time to cross another platform of length L2. Okay. Now, if the values of L be 80 meter, L1 be 100 meter, and if L2 be 120 meter and T be 10 seconds, okay, then the required time to cross another platform of length L2 will be L plus L2. So 80 plus 120, it is 200 divided by L plus L1. L plus L1, 80 plus 100, 180 into 10. Okay. So this is equal to 11 whole 1 by 9 seconds. So the train of length 80 meter will cross another platform of length 120 meter in 11 whole 1 by 9 seconds. Understood? In case of competitive exams, we will use this formula directly. Okay? So friends, I hope you understand how to solve this type of question on train.